Welcome back to Nifty Network. Today we got a DE350Z in. I'm going to show you how to remove the PCV hose. First things first is we're going to take that plastic cover off right here. There's the 410s. It takes literally 5 seconds to take this off, and that just lifts straight off of there. So once we have that off, there's going to be just 2 little clamps like that. We're going to slide that down, and then we're going to slide this up right here. There's a valve cover port, the actual PCV valve. So once we have that loose, we are going to, what I like to do is I'll start on this side. I'll get a pry bar and I'll get on the face of the hose, and I'll pop that off that way. And if you're replacing this, that probably means that the hose is cracked or ripped. And then once that's slid off there, you're just going to pull straight off, and there you go. That's how you remove your PCV valve, or your PCV hose, I'm sorry.